Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Fun Ventures. I'm your host Vahe, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore old aquariums. I've seen many people post images on Reddit asking on how to clean these old hard water stained aquariums. The process is pretty simple, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. So follow me. So I have this old 5 gallon tank that I want to reuse soon. You can see it had better days. It is covered in hard water stains and looks like some algae. Um, yeah, I'm going to be restoring this so I could actually use it very soon. Um, it came with all the parts. It has the covers. It has all the little pieces that I need. So it's a fully useful tank. It would be a shame to just throw this away because it looks like this. If I was to start scraping this, then I most likely would scratch the glass. You want to be a little gentle and careful when you're doing this process. Well, any aquarium owner knows no matter how much you try, you always end up scratching the glass. So uh, in this case, I'm gonna remove these hard water stains by using simple mix of warm water and just a simple vinegar. First thing I'm going to do is fill up the aquarium with warm water. You're supposed to be using a mix of equal parts of white vinegar and water and a spray bottle. You're supposed to spray the glass and just leave it, soaking for a little while. But in my case, I just fill it up with a lot of water and then I use this distilled white vinegar. I got this whole gallon. I think I forget how much it was. It was like $2 or something. So I'm just gonna pour this all the way to the edge, and just add whatever whatever extra space I have in the aquarium. I'm just gonna fill it up right now with this vinegar, and I'm just gonna let it soak until morning because it is nighttime here. So I'm gonna just let it soak, and tomorrow when I'm free I will just start scrubbing it with a non-abrasive sponge. Yeah, it smells delicious. I'm adding more, and now that it's full I'm just gonna let it soak until tomorrow. Let me give you guys a closer look. You can already see that the vinegar is having an effect on those hard water stains. I don't know if you can see in a video, but there's a lot of tiny bubbles forming in there, and that shows that the vinegar is having an effect on those stains. It is dissolving them little by little and creates gas. I decided to take advantage of this situation and removed all the glass tops from my other aquariums and gave them a bath. You can see now, a day later, everything has soaked enough and it is time to start wiping off all those stains. To wipe the stains, I use a towel. You could use a paper towel or just any kind of a towel, non-abrasive. And you see it takes no effort to just simply wipe off all those dry water stains. And after a few minutes, all the tops, glass tops, are clean and shining. The best part about this process is that it involves no harsh chemicals that could eventually ruin your aquarium or even poison your fish. Now with the tops completed, I'm going to remove some of that water so I have space for my hand so it doesn't overflow. I got this non-abrasive sponge from Amazon. It is perfect to remove all the algae. I'm going to use this sponge to scrub all the remaining algae and hard water stains, and within a few minutes we will have a perfectly clean, brand new looking aquarium. I carefully scrub the sides, going back and forth, trying not to splash all the water around. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys could see how easy it is to clean. That dirt that you guys see currently is actually on the outside. I was trying to remove it and then I realized that's not even on the inside, that's on the corner from the outside. Besides that, you can already see how clear the glass is getting. It's going to be just like it was brand new. I really like this non-abrasive sponge. It feels like it's a rough sponge, but it does a real good job of, and I've never seen it scratch or ruin the glass. It removes everything so quick. You can see it takes no effort to clean up this aquarium. This aquarium is ready to be rinsed. I went ahead and I rinsed it pretty good to get rid of all of the residue, the vinegar residue. Now I'm going to just wipe it and dry it out, and it's going to look brand new. And soon I'm going to turn this into a shrimp tank. Look how perfect it looks. There's a little bit of leftovers from the towel on the glass, but besides that it is just shining and clean. And here is the finished product. This aquarium looks better than it was brand new. I'm actually excited that I'm going to build a new aquarium. I will make a video probably next week, and hopefully you guys will like it. It's going to be a self-cleaning under gravel filter shrimp tank. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that this helps somebody that has an old aquarium and stops you guys from throwing away your old aquariums and spending money and buying new one. So if you guys did like this video, if this video helped you out, I really hope you go ahead and hit that like button, and of course subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.